better for sure.
They're picking up poop at Walmart in the food department. Oh, and this guy, look, he's so helpful. I'm glad you got that. That's not disinfecting stuff. That's good stuff, right? That's good stuff. Yeah. That's going to take care of that.
You're recording her?
Yes, I am.
Why?
I just record things.
An example of how people should be with their dogs.
Yeah.
They would have said it right there. So
Yeah. And I'm going to get a consensus.
What makes good people like you look bad.
Yeah, that's right.
I hate it when they do it on my house, in front of my house, and they don't pick it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta walk around.
Well, you have a good day.
Thank you.
And get that super duper nice dog.
Thank you. She's a baby. She's a great baby, right? Right, Mama?
Yeah.
She was scared. I'm like, it's okay. You're not in trouble. It's my fault. I walked her before coming in, but I didn't think I was gonna be so long.
Yeah, you got a big old basket too.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna be
You're gonna
so
get a
long.
dog sitter next time.
Oh, no.
No?
She won't.
So that's fine right there. That's what that happened right there. That's cool.
Well, so long as it gets cleaned up.
Oh, okay. That's how you feel about that, huh? All right. Say bye to America.